Hello and welcome to another DXY update. The DXY continues to be in a downtrend. It's the same downtrend that started in January, and we are currently tracking this decline, quite an aggressive decline, not unexpected. If you watched the previous updates, then you know that I sort of preferred and still prefer that the price gets into this area around 94 $95, so the mid $90 region, before this larger correction is complete. And I'm talking about the correction that actually started in 2022. So we can label this an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave down. This is what I am tracking here. And this is a larger correction which started, a few years ago and is still unfolding. And already then, my view was we should see it move into the $90 region, mid $90, low $90 region. And by the way, there is also, if we zoom out a little bit, there is also this trend channel that you see on the chart, which is not very well defined, at least not the lower boundary line, but it's currently coming in around $95, $96. The upper boundary line is quite well defined with 3 touch points. So it's very possible that the price reacts to this area because it's not only the lower boundary line, we're also entering an area there where you can find several Fibonacci support levels. And you can see the trend line here. Again, it's coming in around $95, $96. The move to the downside in circle wave 5 appears to be a 5-wave move itself. And it's an ABC structure. So ABC in 1, then a wave 2, then an A, B, C in wave 3, then a wave 4, and we should get another ABC structure to the downside. And it could really point us towards $94.70 roughly. This would be ideal. This is where we have a larger degree Fibonacci level, but also smaller degree from the internal structure here. So currently what I'm watching for here is this C wave to finish maybe in this blue zone between the 100% extension and the 161.8 extension. So we talk about $94.73 to $96.49. Then from there we could get a 4th wave bounce and a 5th wave to the downside. So it's essentially a 5-wave move in an ending diagonal in circle wave 5. So this kind of makes sense because wave 5s can be ending diagonals. For now, this looks like an impulse down locally here from that 23rd of June high. Makes sense because a C wave can be an impulse. And the 4th wave resistance area has to be adjusted as the price goes lower. At the moment, it's between $97.71 and $99.10. So yeah, I would pay attention to this one. But for now, the pressure seems downward, and this is an area to watch there. Next support, $96.49, and then there's $96. This one is not so important, but there's another one at $95.81. Bear in mind, there's also a trend line here. So we are entering now an area of strong support. Probably needs a little bit more downside, and then wave 4 should start here maybe next week or so. Maybe this week, maybe next week, but should start soon. Not quite there yet because I think it might really target this area here. Yeah, that's the DXY update. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.